Hi Draw-So Cuties! Today we're going to draw Mandy Candy from Shopkins. So let's get started. To draw this candy, we're going to first start by drawing a big curve for the top of the candy. So I'm going to start right there. Just go big curve all the way back to the other side. So about right there, I'll stop. And so now this point right here is about the same level as that. And from here, we're going to bring a curve down. Say about that much. And the same thing over here. Just a slight curve. And I'm just going to drag this point across so I kind of know where I'm going to stop on the other side. So about right there, and then I'm going to bring a curve down. So this is going to be the bottom of the candy. About that much. And I'll just stop right there, just a little bit because I have a bunch of stuff to draw at the bottom. But before we do that, let's come back up here and we're going to draw another curve right here. And the same thing on this side. And then from there, we're going to start to draw the wrapper part that sticks out on both sides. So we're going to come on this side first and go up with a curve. About that much. And then we're just going to zigzag it all the way down, but it's going to be shorter on this side. So on the bottom right here, I'm just going to draw a curve. That's not going to come out as much, just a little bit shorter, about like that. And then we're just going to connect it with a zigzag. So come about right here. Make 4 of them and then bring it back. And then from there, let's connect it. So we're going to come in here just to give it some volume. Kind of follow the zigzag, but it doesn't have to be exactly the same. But we still want to aim for about 4 and then connect it. So let's do the same thing on this side. So once again, it's going to be a big curve that comes up. So before I do that, I'm going to drag a point across. So I'm approximately about the same height. Say about right here. And I'm going to draw this curve to that point. So they'll be about the same height. And then the same thing down here. So we continue. Once again, it's going to be shorter curve. So drag a point over here. Say about right there. And connect. So once again, let's connect this with 4 zigzags. I'm going to come down. And once again, go up. And one more and connect it to a shorter one. And then come in here once again. And connect. So from there, let's come back here and we're going to even out this curve on both sides. So we're just going to remember that there's going to be feet here. So we're just going to give some room for our feet. So say about that much, and I just want the same on the other side, so come about right here. So it's pretty much even. And then from there, let's come back up here. Oh, sorry, come over here, and we're gonna draw the hand. So it's basically kind of continues from that curve. And we're gonna go up for one of the hands and come back in. So it's the same thing over here. So we're just gonna come out right here. Curve it out, so it's going to be the same level about towards the center and bring it back in. And then from there in between right here, say about in this area, I'm going to draw a curve towards the center and then right back up. And then let's come out here, kind of where past the hand is, so right there. Just draw a little curve and then we're going to bring this curve down. So this is going to be the feet and then we're just going to connect it with a straight line. There, so we have the feet in. Now let's finally bring it to life. So in between the hands right here, we're going to draw her cute mouth. So we're just going to come in the center right here and draw a curve. And cap it off. And then add a deep curve like a U. And then another small curve inside for her tongue. And then now we can come up and draw the eyes. So come from this mouth area, come up About right here we'll start. I'll just give myself a point on both sides so it's kind of even. And from this point, I'm just going to bring a curve down. So same thing on this side. Oops. There. And then let's thicken up this curve. So from here, we're going to thicken the ends. So let's bring it to a thicker point and bring it back in. Just shade that in. So same thing on this side. Thicken it up and bring it back. And then she has these lashes that come out. So about right here, I'm just going to add a lash that pops out, thicken the end, and bring it back in. So same thing on this side. Thicken and bring it back in. There, got her eyes in. Now, now for all the little details. So I'm going to come in here where the wrapper is and just draw 2 curves, just to give it like a crease line. So same thing on this side. And let's see here. So some over here, maybe a longer one and a shorter one. Same thing down here. And so about right here, and 2 more here. Just little details. And let's see. From there, let's add some sparkle to this because this is a shiny wrapper if you wanted to make it the shiny one. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm going to draw sparkle. So about right here, just come down, curve it out, and bring it back down. And so it's going to be pretty even on both sides. A curve and connect. So let's make a smaller one over here. And let's add one more. So maybe about right here. And connect. And that is, oh, I forgot one more. There's a little detail in right here. Just draw a thin line. Go zigzags right in between. Guess that just shows that there's layers in this wrapper part. Okay, there, now we're done. So this is Mandy Candy from Shopkins. Hope you guys love how it turned out. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.